How to create ADP account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial we will see how we can create ADP account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar, then type in ADP payroll sign up. Search for it. Now from your interface, navigate to the first link that says login and support ADP portal, ADP self-service portal. So click on the first link from your interface. That's gonna take you to this kind of interface. Scroll down and there's an option as a register as a new user. So click on it to create an account. Now you'll land at this kind of interface that says create your account, where you have two options. First one, find me. Second one, I have a registration code. So if you have a registration code from your company, you can head over to I have a registration code and then follow the on-screen instructions to create your account with your registration code. Next step, you have to provide your identity information, your contact information, and at last your account will be created. But in case if you don't have the registration code from your company, then you have to select the first option as find me. So once you're here, go to find me. Now you'll be asked to enter your email or mobile number. So here, provide your contact email or mobile number. So under this text field, you have to enter that. Then on the next step, you'll be asked to enter your identity information. So follow the on-screen instructions properly and provide all of the necessary information. Once you're done with your identity information, and on the next step, again, you'll be asked to enter your contact info. Also provide the required contact info, and at last you'll be prompted to create your account. Once you complete all of this four step, you will have an account on ADP. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.